I I hope this time it's visible very well. And let's start where I actually drop it and where I drop it. Okay, so this is it. And the thing is, the issue is to be fair that it has a data target, and that target doesn't change anytime. So it has to be changed, and we have to access it like that. So let's see how we can change that. So first of all, uh, we are gonna use something else here. uh, it's not else, to be fair, it's like a game. Let's see. mm, mhm. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, to be fair. So uh, and model is can be empty, but no, I don't want it empty. uh, Sorry, I don't want model empty. It should be something, or we don't have anything to actually do there. Hmm. So no, no, no. Hmm. And copy this and paste it here. Maybe it's going to work, maybe it doesn't. I don't know, to be straight. I don't know. I don't know. My confidence is 0%. Let's see. Because thing is, model is here, has a dot in it. So is dot gonna translate in HTML? I don't have any good idea for that. Maybe it's gonna change that, and or maybe doesn't. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. It has probably issues here is dot. So I think we should change it with something else. Uh, so we can able to do little bit more with it. So make it some uh, model X. So and model X is a str replace. Uh, 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 it will be search for dot and replace with um, minus in model, and that will it. And we are gonna use this here, here, and here. Let's hope this time it work. Okay, this time it's work. And no, no, every time it's work, I do very good job. Also there is, we need actually search there, and also add image should not be here. It can be a little bit up of add up. I think it should be little bit up. So we should use something like here, use button here, and use some with there. I will say, I'm just saying that we can use something like here. So button close. Yeah, so something like that, and let's copy that, and let's see. uh Refresh this and add a select image on. It's no. It's not a good place. It should not do like behave like that. It should be uh how it's possible. So maybe we should use something like uh this. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe it don't. I don't know. So I'll go to add and select the image. Okay, it's kind of work. It's kind of working. That's the that's the thing. And div class flex. No, sorry, div flex. So and p GX4 maybe. Maybe not. Uh, how to do that? Bootstrap, gap, between column, flex maybe. Uh, flex maybe. I'm so. Uh, First of all, let's go to latest, which is Bootstrap 5. So, and go to what are going to check? Okay, spacing, gap. Uh, there is a gap thing, so maybe I should use gap there. Thing is, first of one of the thing is here, like, oh, so it has actually have some gap there. So okay, something achievable, I will say that. And also there is an image input to input like that maybe. Yeah, this there is it. And they have two divs. First for why there is in clubs. Okay, something like that. I should remove collapse maybe. I should remove the collapse. And uh, so it's like there, but it doesn't has gonna show anything now because I'm gonna change something here. uh, so it is a model body container, so let's just use that and make. Okay, first of all, let's make it template and make a template x if add image maybe add image, and that's it. And also let's go to the container last. And uh, why it's so maybe it's gonna work now. If it's possible it's not going to work, but let's hope. uh, and also we are gonna make it like if only if I click that. uh, let's use some kind of image also. No need of use button class. No, maybe font awesome. Let's use let's see font awesome. I don't think so I am using font awesome there. I think I am using bootstrap icon here. So bootstrap icon. Ta, 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 ta. Let's use add button there somewhere. So add button, add. Maybe there is a plus button. Bookmark plus, calendar plus, cart plus, calib card, keyboard card plus, and envelopes. I'm not okay. It's there is a plus, and we are gonna use Oh, I forgot where is the plus. uh, okay, there is a 2 plus there. One is this and second is this. So first is plus and fill. So we are going to make sure we will use that when we actually selected that button. So mm, did something really bad happen here? Something. Uh, there's everything there. What's the issue? Okay. No, it's still not a. What the hell happened? It's working really fine. Let's refresh this page again. And okay, now it's running well, but there is definitely some issue there. So let's use first this and make it where we are previously. First, we are gonna use that add is equal to add is equal to false. So uh, false and what is show there? I don't think so. What is show? Hmm. What is show there? Hmm. The thing is, if we're gonna reply anything with like there, it doesn't have to do anything like that. It can just go to template and do itself. So file is equal to multiple. No, it's a file into multiple. Mm-hmm. Add image is false, so it's not gonna show that, but it should show that on the click. So this gonna make it click, and this is not a close. So add. uh First of all, make it add, and also make it second one like that. Uh, Close and make it model. It is not gonna button close. If it is gonna button close, then it's gonna screw up everything because button close will it's closing the whole tab. So and also there is should be a click which actually make it add image true. Add image. What just happened here? So data dismiss, it should not but dismiss that, and so we are going to remove that. It is a type button. That's a totally okay. This is, and it should be toggle that. So, and whenever it's true or not, it's gonna make it something that we are not. And I will say it should be end, and is not is equal to true. Maybe this will work, maybe not. I'm literally not that much idea. So okay, it's not working. Mm-hmm. 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 Something really bad here. I can't even understand. Image is truth, and there is no true here. And it should be going to true. Okay, it's going to toggle that. Maybe I am using it wrongly. Okay, this is beat. Maybe it's not work. No, it doesn't work. Please work. Let's just use BTN. So what the hell happened there? Let's make it something else. So make it a div, because uh sometime it's gonna work. Ta, 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 ta. There is a plus button and it do nothing. It literally do nothing. Whenever I click, it doesn't do anything. So it is a click as a click, and it's gonna make it image. Oh, let's go to Alpine.js, because I think there is an example for that. I have to complete it first, any cost today, because I have to make. First of all, let's make it. Maybe I get some. There should be somewhere toggle. I can't. I forget that. Uh, yeah, there is it. I think this is fine. So, oh, there is a. Oh, okay. It's not gonna make it true or less. It's just have to make it like. Okay, I don't very. I do it very badly, but ever. Sometimes it's happened. Okay. Okay, it's working. It just has to make it a little bit changes here and there. First of all, it has to be like, if I'm going to plus. Oh no, what's just happened now? And it has to do something first of all. It has to change its layout a little bit whenever. So it has to check about this class and do it class, and it has to I'm gonna check to where. So add image, and we check it's true or not. If it is true, then we are gonna add bi. First of all, it's gonna make it is a string. So bi bi file plus fill. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. I have literally very much less yes, I have very much less confidence in myself. I hope for worst, and And many times it doesn't get the worst, but I hope for worst. It doesn't mean like eh, let me s- leave it be and make it width. Sorry, maybe height. Height. How much height is there? Maybe 30 px. No, 9.3 ex RAM. Maybe RAM. Uh, let's use something like here. So there's nothing in there. So 20 px. It doesn't do anything here. And single has multiple has something there, but I should change it also. So single. Hmm. So like that. Uh, Gap 4 maybe. Maybe I should use just my3, so it doesn't have to do anything now. Okay, it's kind of it will go to single and it's going multiple. Okay, it's work fine. For whatever we have here. If we're going to test, and then there should be a delete button. I think so. On update, there should be a delete button there. So I think I fixed the photo things here. It is the bootstrap thing, so it actually it is the same, and it's just refer to that, and the idea of everything is still the same. So it's sometimes confuse itself. So right now I change it. How do I change that? I create a model X which just change every point to minus and echo that on bs target and model id and level y everything. So it not it doesn't has to uh, do anything stupid there. If I want to select it's working fine. So that this is a very good thing. Let's make it like that, and let's submit that. Really something bad happened here. uh, mm, okay, first of all it has to be like that. Okay, I understand now. uh, it has to not to be in a relationship. It has to be with the all photos. Yeah. uh, I create a mistake. So let's just use the all photos, because the thing is I forgot about that. If we choose the all photos, if it's the photos, it has to. If I choose the new thing, it has nothing in it, because new thing has no kind of thing in it. So now it's gonna make it. So it has. Did I do something wrong here? Because it is not showing me anything. So uh, something bad happening here. There is all photos there, and I think do something very very wrong. It's just okay. Maybe I'm doing that wrong. It has to be like that. Ah, it can be some anything right this time. What I do wrong here? I have no idea. Why this Outback chain is doing nothing because FETCH it does it has to be work like that, but uh, let's just use photo as a whole, so I don't have to use anything else. Uh, Photos, all photos, and it maybe it doesn't it actually do any something or let's use that here and I gonna remove it. So first of all, let's remove this x data because it's not showing anything here. So we should it is a better idea to just remove that probably. Oh, stop that. uh, what just happened now? Okay, maybe I just don't have uh, okay, first of all I understand now. The thing is all photos should be different. I understand now. uh, Add is not defined. How it's not add not defined? All photo is not defined. How it's not defined? I actually defined that. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. This what I'm doing there wrong. First of all, let's check for the image. There is auto all photo all photo is object now. All photos here. Where is all photos? Uh-huh. 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 There's really something wrong here. Uh, there is it. Where is the response? This is a response, and uh, should I? Uh, should I not? Let's try that and let's see. All is twice. All is coming twice now, so it doesn't do anything now. Again, all photos point and check for update. Dot photo ID. There is update. Something in update, so that's kind of fine. It is a 56 and relationship is a object, so it has two things in there. And all project is just a object, and it seems it's an empty object. Why it's an empty object? Uh, Mm. Maybe I use some space here and there. There's still nothing. I just fixed that in the last video. I think so. It's working in the last video, but I should work at this video. But I I do somewhere very very wrong, and I don't know where I go wrong. Uh, uh, um, X. Let's use X transition also. Let's see. But, what just happened here? Oh, there's a error again. All photo is not a function. How it's not a function? Maybe I just use that and maybe what's gonna it's gonna return array. And why it's not working here? Ah, let's just use the all photo in the default and doesn't use anywhere else. So something like that. And also there is a little comma. I'm gonna remove everywhere the thing like X data. Uh, Category is not defined. Uh, I definitely understand why category is not defined because I probably using this. I has to use a double quote because that's the issue, main issue of Alpine. You has to remember what kind of quote you use. So all photo is there. How, uh, how out to go photos? All photo is just object. I can't understand why it's not working fine. Maybe we should not use here, and it will be nothing here, and it will be initialized as this page run, and it does do all photos is equal to, so something like that. Uh, I it just broke everything. It's initialize in it. Ah, it's why it's broke everything. Uh, I have no idea why it's broke everything. Maybe we should not use it here and use it there. No, maybe it's gonna work. Maybe don't. I have literally no idea. Okay, first of all, I have to use this. Okay, it's now working at least, so something good happen now. But it is because it is actually loading every photo that is have. Uh, and maybe if that's the case, why should I call any kind of image? Let's see. Uh, Again, it's actually forget everything here. Ah, let's just use all image in there, and also I don't want to, but I have to remove that now. Mm, add image, so something like that. No, no, not that. Okay, this is it. So I have to remove that, and and I have to add something else also. I forgot. Oh, okay, this is it. All photos, and there's nothing here. Uh, where is the photos? Where is photos actually? So photos. Where is photos? Okay, so it has to be gone, and it has to be all data, all photos. Okay. Photo. First of all, I have to find the photos and actually deal with that also. What the hell happened here? I think it's a photo, so all photos first. I think okay. It's kind of working fine at least now. I has to just add a delete function here so we can delete it. We can update it anyway now. Ah, mm. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna make a button which is type, at least not a submit button. So it will be name is will be delete category del category. Label is delete. Delete has to be big, and type is button, and this click work there somewhere. I don't have any idea click going to work or not in this, because last time I think I tried to do that and it doesn't work. Maybe I just on click I should, so something like that, because dot has some issue, but this has no issue there. So, and hope it doesn't. So on click patch, and patch will be uh, category. uh, let's go to manager and check how we can delete that. So we can delete like that. No, it's not, it's a photo. It's like that, and it is just a get request, and plus, and f plus category id. No, update id. I think update id. uh, and also it has to reply something, and I am I.json, and it will be required to category. uh, oh, I will say categories, so something like that. Where's category go? Here is this. Maybe this time it's gonna work, maybe not. I have literally no idea it's gonna work or not. And also it has to make it home appear, so home gonna appear then after everything. uh, nav product home, so maybe we can use like that. Nav product and something like that, and make it click, so maybe it's gonna work, maybe not, who know. Let's see it's gonna delete or not. uh, delete work. Mm. I think I don't use any kind of HTML attribute in this button, so it's not gonna work like that. That I am hoping it work. Hmm. Maybe I just create a button a little bit better, and there is HTML attributes there. No HTML attribute, data and label. If actually there is a label, button one. So okay, button one, and so let's use button one. So where is it? Button. There are inputs, and did something really bad happen here? It has to be a label. So okay, so we have to delete that and add label there. So maybe delete. Okay. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Really something bad happen here. Uh, let's use double quote here, and I has to use now double quote. I can't use single quote anymore. So uh, it has to be single quote in for from now at least. Uh, no, it has. Why I'm screwing around everything? Maybe this time it's gonna work. Oh, it still has some issue. Like there is no class there, so it's saying how it should have something in class, but it has no class. Ah, I think if there is no class, so it should make a class. Mm-hmm. First of all, let's make a class. So if is set data, hmm, um, da- hmm, so we are going to add data class. Let make a empty class then. And also, if there is no I set, there is nothing in it, then only we create that. Uh, array to string conversion of 16 page. Uh, okay, first of all, let's make it not like that. Okay, let's see how delete pointer now function. Okay, there is it has everything in it. Let's go to network and check how it's gonna. But it literally just broke everything. It should not broke everything, yeah. Uh, there is uh, categories just lost it. There's nothing in categories now. It has something in it because maybe we should not use there, and maybe we should categories like uh where is this categories? I think no, not here. Let's see categories there and change little bit. First of all, it should not look like that because sometimes it doesn't fetch on time, and then we can't do anything. So then, hmm, I, hmm, hmm, I. So maybe it will work now. Let's add something. Test again. Text, because why not? And submit that. Okay, and we are going to delete that now. And now it's kind of work well. So first of all, we have to resolve that kind of issue. We should actually only work on from then not is equal to fetch, because I know sometimes it can be a big issue. So let's check. We do somewhere fetch like that. I don't think so here is anything, but here it's possible. Mm, I never do this mistake. I think that's only one mistake. So at least now I can delete, select image, submit, update, if update, and if I go to home, it's going to reset everything. And at least service is there now, and we can delete everything. Let's go to the dashboard and all user. And okay, first of all, let's go to all user, and on all users, it's probably in the manager users. So first of all, it's data 10 active, and it is no, please no, don't do that. uh, let's copy the categories, note that these categories, and no, it's just totally different. So first of all, there should be some search bar here, so we can able to search everyone buddy. uh, Maybe I should make a search. I have already a search, I think so. Actually, I made it with the Alpine JS tools. Alpine, no, not Alpine JS. Uh, Alpine JS. Where is it? No, not there. Alpine Toolbox, I think so. Toolbox. And there should be some kind of search there. Yes, yes, this is it. This is it. It is very easy. I everybody consider that to go this link, uh, and and let's go to OMG, whatever. This is it, and the thing is, okay, it has using Tailwind 1.0 and Alpine 2 version, so it is definitely a more, I will say, oldest version of it. I, I don't say you should use that. I'm using other version of it. I have somewhere else. So uh, I think I've used in CodePen. Maybe I will found that or not, because I actually do some edits on that, and it worked kind of fine. I has to start marking them, because sometime nothing, there is nothing now. No. Uh, did I do that? I don't think so. I drew that. I actually copied somebody here. So uh, uh, okay. What I'm checking here. I forgot that. Search, search, search. So there is a search. There is a search. It is a get filter and like that, and it's actually use everything like that. It is still on based on the old function, but basically I can remove that dollar sign here and there. Mostly it's the same. So hope it's work. Let's use first in categories. So filter items, filter should be from, and there should be search button also, so like that. So input like that. I don't think so. I should use something else. So first of all, let's use this button. Hmm. There should be now. It will be. I think category dot search is a good item, or maybe not. It should be search. SEAR search, and that's it. And OMGs, I do something really very very wrong here. Uh, let's just remove it for now. And okay, it's kind of working. It is an undefined value, but that's it. That I can fix that. So it has value is nothing a search. So first of all, search is nothing, literally nothing. So and get item will be s- we will check to category search. And okay, first of all we are going to categories, and categories has a definitely categories has a name. To go into software console thing is I'm right now only doing to limit to 20 only. So it will be little bit fine and easy to deal with. And I'm gonna use where's the telling okay, there is a categories. I'm gonna use filter categories, so something like that. And uh, did I do something wrong there? uh, why it is undefined here? Category has a name or not? Categories, and let's move it little bit lower. Maybe that will solve everything. Definitely it doesn't solve anything. So I did I do something wrong there? Oh, oh, what is something really really wrong here? mm, where is that happen? Should I use single quote? I think I should use single quote here. Double quote. And no, single quote is a good. Why? Maybe I should use this almost last. So where is the error? Maybe I should use a comma on last. Maybe that's the issue. Maybe not. So first of all, let's remove that. Maybe, maybe it solve everything. Maybe not. But I have to do something, and maybe this is the thing that I have to resolve. No, it's not a thing that I have to resolve. This doesn't change anything here. Uh, mm, oh, I okay. I found the issue. I actually repeat that thing. Now, if I actually service that, it's one of it doesn't actually. Okay, first of all, let's use it in the category like I'm using some kind of template like that. It should be related to categories, should not related to it. So if nothing is found, nothing is found. That's fine. It's fine. It, so first of all, now search is working now. Uh, let make sure we actually see the photos also. So photo doesn't show us the name of the photos. So uh, like that, and it has nothing in it. So maybe this work, maybe not. Hmm. X text, and it will be, what is the text? I forgot about that again. Okay, this is the photo photo name. So select image. So it has everything in image name. So and you should find out with some kind of template. So first I'm gonna make a div for like that. It has a data. So it's that as a for I create again search items because why not? And also I create filter item again, but this time it has name change. um, I can say filtered maybe because it will be change anybody anyway. So mm, let it be. It doesn't doing anything bad here, so why should I change it? Where is it? This is it. And filtered photos and uh, all photos, something like that. And there is a name to label request all over. And it's gonna use this. I'm gonna use this here, and it will be somewhere here. And it has model of search. Okay, that's fine. And the all photo is get filtered photos. So let's see. Maybe it's gonna work, maybe not. Ah, how it's possible in the one time? I have to do something. Uh, what's wrong this time? First of all, there is some issue there. So I think I should not use there. It should be like there. Maybe it's a single quote. Single quote is a thing. I There's a PHP thing here. Okay, well, just it. I go. So it's just gonna show it for ESIC also. It has. Okay, I should do something about placeholder also. Maybe label. Uh, where's the label? Color black. Maybe that's the issue. Oh, MG, this is the issue. This is really a big issue. So text body. Oh, how it's can get away from that? Okay. Input class form does if I'm going to select image, it is a form image. There's really something wrong here. So let's just copy that categories and uh, X model is search placeholder is nothing. Class is again nothing. How it's just and how it's like that and how it's like that. There's some issue here and input box. Maybe I'm not using some kind of input box there. Okay, everything is same. So why my level is not actually showing anything? Did I vigilate and hmm, Where is the text black? There is somewhere text black. Search. Less. Okay. Now I just do it hard coded text black there, so it will be label R will be text black. So that's fix the problem at least for now. Search and yes, also use that for search. Hmm. Let's refresh. Oh, why its name? I think I just what just happened now? Okay. And first of all, why it's don't working here? Okay, first of all, it's let's assume it's a name. Maybe actually I do that. Okay, ठीक है. At least now it's working now. Now let's go to all user and get every user and change the user's setting. Like give the user some roles and maybe just maybe just do something like that home ad instead of like user roles and first we should do that. So in users uh, first remove that and remove that also. Let's go to categories again because I think I have something there to solve. No, not so something there to copy. No, it's a customer, not customer categories. So I have something here to copy. And what is it? It is a tab content and basically and let's just put it put it here. And I know it's not gonna fix anything. First of all, right now I just want to um, make it something different. So first of all, it is not a category. It's definitely it is a all users, and it's fetching. Oh, okay. I understand that if it's fetching now, but it doesn't gonna do anything here. we don't need any photos here. There should be no there should be no photo there. There should not. I think there should be at least update it. But should I update it? Update a user, because user has a privacy to do everything they want. I'm not going to update any user. I can block the user, but I can't change any setting or check the password of it. I can do that, but it is not the ethical thing. So I'm gonna skip that, and maybe I set my everything so it's actually doesn't load password. Maybe it's gonna load, but who because even it's gonna load it, I'm only one that actually see that, and not in the front end. I can see that in the. No, I should not do that. uh, First of all, filter users and JSON encode users, and there is no relationship there, because actually there is a relationship, but actually I doesn't want any relationship there. um First of all, there is a data there, and I'm gonna remove that, and because why not? It has nothing in it, and we don't need it. So uh, mm, first of all, let's just maybe I just get that, and no, I should not get that. Okay, it's at it. Okay, okay, it's actually loading everything there, but it doesn't actually loading that. Okay, this is the kind of issue there, because actually I want multiple things like that. uh Maybe I should use manager API there, so I just has to use API there. uh, let's use, it has nothing in it right now. Let's make it little bit like that, and it will be, we can't delete that user. We can do uh, we should update the user and update the some setting as though, so that can define it as what kind of status it have now. So maybe, and it has to be, first of all there is a category like that, and it is should not be like that. Let's go to manager and user. So it, okay, it's actually like that, user all. Why should not I use that? So I just use like that. Let's make it hidden, so because this is kind of stupid like that. uh, User, no, oh, I think what's the page name? User all. So it get user uh, all. So it getting everything there. So uh, but thing is, user has not only users, it has many other thing also. So mm, let's echo JSON. So maybe I should do that. uh, Encode data. Did I do something wrong here? Oh no, it is actually wrong place to do that. So maybe dashboard, and it doesn't show anything. Did I? It doesn't show anything. What's just happened here? Let's go to web source, and nothing. There's nothing here. How it's possible? Did I do? Okay, okay. Okay, all users. Okay, so there's a one user, and that's it. I have Google ID and everything like that also, but It has all user now. So the thing is, and why it's undefined? Uh, why? What's wrong there happen now? Just now. So OMG, really something bad here. First of all, there is nothing in it. Okay, okay, okay. Uh, I'm gonna. It has data directly, so it has users. So uh, okay. First of all, it's kind of working now. Um, I have to change something also in the backend also. So it's do something here and there. Like localhost has still nothing in it. Kind of, I'll say that. Uh, local host. Hmm. How long I'm working here? Oh, okay. What bad I do there? Okay, it's working now. Let's go to indexing and check the users. And I think I need to add something here and there also. It has phone number and photo is null created and Facebook ID and so it has an email and that's all. So I have to change little bit. So I have to change the status also. But I don't think so. I have to change their status there because I can use subscription here. No, I should use here something. So has a status of like that. So it has a status that can be changed. So let's go to database. So uh, database maybe SQL migration. So it has user. Definitely it gonna have a users. This is a user. I'm gonna change a little bit and add a status which is tiny int. Not default, not null, a default one. So uh, and so mg it is running on. I am gonna stop that. Mm, uh, what I'm doing? Okay, this is a photo there, and I'm gonna make something clear here. Zero block one active and make it okay something like that. So it is a status zero and active something like that. It can be something. It can be changed. So it doesn't mean it has to be like that. Uh, let's add the structure here also. Hmm. It is a status. I'm gonna use exactly like that and tiny int and it gonna uh, as defined which is one. Save. So status is one of mine. Uh, but thing is, I have should have much access. If anybody make my status one, it doesn't mean anything. Um, it's about the subscription, so it will be only shown on subscription panel only. So we will only check it that for subscription panel only. Uh, let's close this and there's a users and um, users and where's the users and username and search filter. First of all, this is a filter users, so it should not be category, it is a user. So mhm, users, user, maybe this is it. uh, let's just replace everywhere. So oh, it should not be there, it should not be there. So first of all, there should, oh no, why its category is there? Okay, I have to remove that. I am using it as a reference right now. So I have something to check. Oh, okay, what's how I made previously. So I'm just putting everything here for check. I just first remove that. I don't think so. Now it's anything needed here. Uh, removed. So it is not here now. First of all, there is not should not be add and it be something else. Mm, user all and manager and user. This is user and user all user uh, update, and it's not a delete, it's a id. So it is basically like what we do uh, in category. It basically um, it basically our what will I say about that id and data and uh, maybe I should not use the post because post can be get in the here whatever there's the case maybe. Maybe uh, let's go to category, maybe see how we do there. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's just do something there. It's basically I have to make sure some kind of thing is there. So first of all, what we are going to change it, we are going to change the status and maybe phone status phone. So because should I change that? Because I don't think so. I have to right to change anything right here. I should have only has the right to change status. So I can block that account kind of. So basically that, nothing else. Um, so status. Uh, so that's it. That's it. Nothing else need to done there because this is user we are talking about, and also API user all. So it is gonna give me all users. So and it has to be just do that. Why there is ID there? It has nothing to do with ID. So something like that. Uh, we can delete anybody. We can just make the status go away. So and should I should make something else also. Uh, um, there's users and I think I should add some roles also. role.php. So there will be roles, and mm-hmm, it is basically this user, but it we are gonna provide there in the roles role, and role will be all, and roles, and so it's working fine now. Let's create the API now. um, I think it's getting very much big here. I should should create somewhere else also now. This is getting very much bigger. It should not get that much big, but it's getting bigger and bigger. Mm, I I think we create a much codes that we needed. So route add API. Mm, row. First of let's just copy that, and uh, roles, and let's see. I should remove that maybe, but let it be there. So and also create a all function like that. So basically, name will be name. Let's see. I think there should be only name, nothing else. So I has to remove everything from here. That's it. That's it. This is it seems too much easy. And also we have to delete. Uh, we have to delete some roles, and uh, I think we are gonna make it somewhere else. So uh, I think we should make controller somewhere else, because it's getting bigger and bigger. It should not get that much bigger, but it's getting bigger. It has it's just past too much, and also it's not a category. It's roles. So something wrong here. Okay. Oh, there is no roles. There is only role. Oh, I think API is getting out of the hand, out of hand. So we should create something else, maybe. Ah. Oh, what the hell is that? I never listened that in that portion. Maybe you should listen it yourself if you're gonna see the YCD FM. And in the last 136, it has really what I can say, something that it should not, nobody should say. Let's use something else. Uh, let's use. Should I use the roles here like anything else, or I should use like something else? I will say that. Mm, mm, mhm, mhm, mm, mm, mhm, mm, 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 mm. Let's use that, and it's definitely user all is working. But first of all, let's see. It's is it a does it, is this not a maybe. Let's refresh this again, and it has no relationship. How it's possible? It has to check for active and user ID, active roles in user ID, and OMG, maybe I. Hmm. Why there is no relationship? It's actually active roles. First of all, let's check the active roles. And did I? There is nothing here. I think, oh, there is here. There's something here. So first of all, let's check the table. And OMG, this is still something. OMG, I have to fix it. क्या ये? क्या जी? बादाम वाली लस्सी आई है भाई, वो बहुत खट्टी है, मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं आई. लेट्स सी वीडियो चल कितनी देर से रही है, हम कितनी देर से your videos maybe, or no, my channel should something like that. Your video, your channel, huh? Your channel. How many time is just spent? I just want to know that. 1 घंटा 12 मिनट. So, oh, 1 घंटा 40 मिनट. It's definitely too much time, and I clearly doesn't achieve everything that I am like to achieve. Mm. First of all, let's use that, and I'm gonna make it use the global and check where's actually error and whatever we can call the error or not is happening. So get data is, I will say that's little bit I make it zoom out little bit so I can watch this function in the one go. So Let's just echo query maybe. It, I think I should use br. So maybe I just first of all there is a relationship has a table roles. Hmm. Okay, I think I get what the issue is there. Okay, I think I get now. Get it now. Oh no. Let's see. I think I get the issue. Oh no, it's not an issue. Let's go there again and where is user ID? So okay, it should not be user ID. It will be ID. So uh, user ID. I think this is it. Okay, it's kind of working now. So kudos. It is a where ID and it is a where uh, user ID will be ID. So where is role ID? Mm, okay, maybe. Uh, so basically it's actually load everything like that. At least it's kind of working. Uh, I'm gonna stop it now and let's see. little bit later. It's it kind of it seem most of the my framework issue is solved now. I have to just issue some logics now. It probably will be solved in short as possible. Hope it's true. Tan tan. That's Saturday night. Bye.